Okay guys, today is a beautiful day. Look at that sunrise over the glassy sea. We haven't been making videos for over a month now because we've been busy with something, and it's important day today. We're going to move into a new gallery on Long Street, 110 Long Street. Been working hard, making a lot of paintings and all sorts of other paraphernalia. We're going to have prints and a couple of other little interesting artifacts. Hey, here we are, look here. Got the keys. See if we can open this up. I don't know which key is which. There we go. Okay guys, we've just moved into our new gallery, 110 Long Street. Ideal position. Right there near Cape Gallery and very busy part of the city. Long Street's very popular. So we've got some amazing paintings on the wall, got some prints. I made all the furniture and tables for the gallery. We worked so hard to arrange this whole thing. lucky to be able to have the opportunity to move into this gallery. My son Carl's going to be the curator, going to be running it. He's going to drink all the beer. There's going to be some beers in the fridge. People can come visit, have some wine, beer, coffee. Anytime you want to pop in, just come and say how's it. It's a beautiful space, unbelievable. We're so lucky. It's like a dream come true. And the season is going to be coming in from September. We unfortunately opened up in winter, which is like one of the worst times. But good to start at the worst time, and it can only get better. So lekker, just come visit. Thanks for watching. Cheers, man.